I'm here in house of a rising sun, Carlos
Yes, hello.
Junior Palomer.
Yeah, it's me.
It's you. What's that? Pokemon?
It's my. Did you see that? It's my boxer. So today it's a good for today. This is my very best friend Ariel Ramos.
Yes,
Came
I'm
from LA. And I'm Carlos Palomar. I'm a Filipino guys, and we're gonna food trip. So this is my place. This is my home. Yeah, and
You can
this
see.
is. Can you see that I'm busy now? No. Can you see that standuay? There's the neste, and there is what we call
Crab.
seafoods. Bake. And this is the sauce.
A taste. Oh, it's mine.
So follow here.
Palu.
Can you see that the people around here are so very busy? And here, look around. Okay, good look at this place.
Oh, it's
So we're gonna interview here. This is
This is Squatter area.
Glenn Miteng. He's a chip cook, cupcake. Yeah, this is. The grape here is so original.
What did you call that? What is your menu? Man?
YS12.
What is your
Yatak kanon diha. Uy!
may interview
There's the housekeeping
may
man.
interview what?
Yeah.
What did you call that?
So very smiling. This is the
Bula-bula.
Bula.
Yeah. So I want to taste it.
No.
So no. So very not
The banana is not cooked pa.
Okay, wrong grammar. So can you see that? This is the Prague. What we call this food trip?
Prague.
This is Peter Isidro. Come from California.
California.
Yeah.
California.
Why did you came here?
She came here to join
To join the
club. Yeah.
What's club?
Club like this. So more like.
Moonlight.
And
Moonlight.
you see that?
Who's that? Pokemon.
Who's this?
Pikachu? Is that you?
Who are you? Huh?
I'm fine, thank you.
I think you're adopted. Hey,
Hey,
I'm here to interview you. If it's okay.
you fucking shit.
Are you fucking shit? It's a bad words, man. He's a bad guy. I don't care.
I don't care.
So-
Chalalala.
May I see your housekeeping?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. So very wagan, man.
Huwag gan baga.
Marijuana lives.
This is the marijuana, what we call. Yeah, here is. So, ibigay lang nga, live lang ta.
Okay.
So,
Where's your comfort room?
no, don't visit my comfort
Whoa.
room. So very, no. So,
It's danger.
this is
High
my,
voltage.
this is my pet.
Pepe.
My, so very big.
Oh,
Big. Yeah.
you're
You see
pregnant.
that? So very imported. Came from
Native.
Mexico. Payag imported. Yeah. And this is we used to pick it out of here. Did you see that? Yeah. Hey, so before anything else, guys. Come on.
Anything? Init mo lang?
Yeah.
Init anting.
So
So,
I smell something like fishy. Yeah.
Yagi ka
So
bago.
smell like
we food trip here because that's we effect of the
marijuana.
we like to smoke out every day. Like, you know what I mean? Like something like ganja, like past the marijuana. Yeah, that's it. So I'm so high, but I don't smoke anything. I don't even drinking. So we use every day that. Yeah, this is the foreigner. Do you see that face? So
Yeah.
very handsome. Oh, she's smiling, boy. So interview me. What do you like about girl?
Girl,
Yeah.
like shy girl.
Shy girl, slim girl, and beautiful,
Yes.
pretty girls.
Yeah.
So, are you single now or married?
I'm single.
So you're looking for someone?
Yes.
Yeah.
In her in the Philippines.
Don't you worry.
Philippine girl.
Philippine girls.
Yes.
Did
I
you
like a Philippine girl.
You like guy?
the Philippines? So the Philippines so very
Oh. You like a handsome?
so very friendly man person.
Yeah.
That's why
I
you
like
are
it.
here because so
Yes.
more cute like
Oh.
me.
You like
Yes.
you like Carlos Palaman?
Yeah, I'm Carlos Palamer, and I want to really tour anymore home right now.
Did you
So-
watch this?
Yeah. So this
Is
is
this
my
your comfort room?
this is my
man?
jacket.
Man?
No, don't
This is right?
shit. No, man, this is my armor. You see that I'm busy now, so I don't want camera face in the morning. So let's get out here. Yeah, you see that the vandalism, my right back and forward right back. Yeah,
Almalicor.
yeah, Almalicor.
Hardcore.
So I hate this. I hate this. So
Did you use that concert?
I don't want camera face in the morning. Get out of here, man.
Boot.
Ay, nabuga din. So we should have to ready to prepare our food trip. So my stomach is
My
very
Bugason is hungry.
hungry, very defined. So
Mini hungry?
we drinking every day. This one, what's his name? Don Enrique Brandy.
Mini lips.
More seeds of marijuana. That's it. Yeah. I have more three pieces.
3 pieces.
Yeah.
May bottle.
3 bottle. I'm sorry, man. I'm very sorry. I just came out. I'm very
What
sorry.
can you
man.
do?
What can you do, man? What can you do? You have some more cigarette there?
No, I cannot say good.
Cigarettes.
I'm not smoking that.
So you're not smoking. Here, there is.
Gonna put
So here's the fortune.
Yeah.
So this is man, may I interview to you for a while?
Baga.
Baga, nasunog yung baga.
This
So,
is B1.
This is Baboy from Big Bounce of Matlang. She's lookalike of
I'm came from,
Ralph Nunez. I'm so sorry.
Sorry.
So
Came from face to face.
came from face to face. So what can you do, man? What can you do? What you say? What you say? Oh,
He likes Oten Pablo.
yeah. He always
It's good.
she test is always
It's
mabitaw
good.
na nambok na kay sige ko na. Utin Pablo. So what can you say, man? So your stomach so very big. Nya wala ra ba lubot. Yo tigidaro face.
What's it called? That
Yeah.
food? Huh?
This is the food trip.
That food.
This is
What you call that one?
Chinchaw. Chinchaw. So here it goes. Here it goes.
What's cold? It's
Yeah.
not cold. It's hot.
We eat
It is.
Yo. No. Oh yeah.
Cocaine.
And me too. Hmm.
Pare, cocaine.
No. Oh, daga, dudahan ka. This is what we call bring home. Takpan. May okay naman eh. Very natural. May pangalan naman, videohan naman. Kita man yung dagkog hungitron ba? Yeah. So
where is the sauce?
out exclusive.
Where's the sauce?
Sus. Patilawa lag tagay ko to. Luya pala to eh.
Oh, kanang
Duha ka buok, patilawa. Aw nya na guluto saging. So how are you doing, guys? How are you tonight? How are you today? We'll be right. Yeah, I know you enjoy because I'm a birthday boy. So food trip. Happy birthday. Say happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday, pare.
Thank you, Brad. And you, say great for me. Happy
not yet,
birthday.
bro. You're a play J.
Huh?
You can
No.
play.
I'm not a member of that. I'm a very good friend.
Oh, okay.
That's okay. That's okay.
Rocky wrong.
So what can you say about your feet? So very
That's a
manyakis.
Bullshit.
Bullshit. You fucking shit. So this is bullshit. So fuck this.
Bukal-bukalis ka ba?
Sige.
Ikaw na lang, mga bunjubi, wa kayo mga bunjubi na.
That's okay. Okay, live. At ang bagusan, Colgate tag mga okay ra na ibakra na sa sound. So, we're gonna play that music. So, what do you think? Thinking of you?
You're a book. Okay. What you doing, man? Smell good. The marijuana is coming. Thunder. Marijuana. Big marijuana. This is a big syndicate.
Big syndicate. So, thank you. Shade.
What can you do?